No man chef, and you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I'm cooking.
Are you cook this, chef?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, man, the nigga put in the work, and when he did just start up, everybody I look down upon him like, say, him then I go make it. You see me? Real youth know what you want. Remember when he just start out, everybody a laugh of time, everybody in the kitchen a laugh of time.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here, we are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father and make we live up.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry, and you know so we're back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar. And you know so that video overdue for we drop people. You see me? Another day, another life of a Jamaican chef. Part 2 people. We drop part 1 last year, people. You get me? So we just make you know what I go on right now in the life of feel life of Jamaican chef. We just say look what you know, feel my life of the life of Jamaican. Anyways, you know the life of Jamaican chef. You get me? So right now, people, currently we're gonna do one new work, people. Cause I don't know, I work with a catering company and think people from last year on talk to I work with a catering company. You get me? The thing we're going can't talk it for you. So thing we're going, we mash up the world, people. You get me? You see me? The thing we mash up the world, we like we get laid off and thing, people. Yeah, we get laid off and thing. So we there home for like 5 months. For like about 5 months, people. Story time, you know. We there home for like about 5 months, people. So we just basically they home and do like YouTube, straight YouTube. Drop a whole heap of video, people, from check on you can get every video. And really every video, but you get what me I say, people. We have all for debone chicken, we have all for cut up chicken, we have all for fried chicken, we have a whole heap of different sauces, people. Probably I move too fast, I'm calm down. Take time. We have different sauces, people. We have like panda right now, we have barbecue sauce, honey glazed sauce. So we have a whole heap of time per one, so we drop a lot of video. So you can right over there, so or another. So come right up there, say nice suggestion. Right up there, so people, and just click on it and just watch a video. You see me? Comment down below, tell me what you think. Give your feedback, people. Cause without you know, there's no life of a Jamaican chef, people. You get me? Yeah. Real meds, deep meds. One team, one dream. You see me? My motto, people, is always strive to do better than your best, cause your best is yet to come. You get me, people? So I always try to do better, cause I know my best always yet to come. Yeah. So go up on a couple interview, people, and same thing we talked about last year is the same thing we come back to again, people. Yeah. So same thing we talked about last year. We're going to the interview, and interview go run smooth and thing, people, but when you come on to the paying part, people do not want to pay the money. You get me? So we have to walk out of the interview completely like that. Because better you stay home more than you go work for nothing. You get me? That make no sense. You tell me if it makes sense, you go work for somebody. You already know where you're supposed to get paid. We never talk about that, because Jamaican don't pay a chef the right money. So we not go right there. So we not go into that today. You see me? So you go work and you go pay your fear more than what you go earn. That make no sense. Get me? Okay, you know say east side with the east side setting straight. East side setting. So we got in the Kingston go work. You see me? Yeah. So calculate bus fare doesn't work. So we just left that. But did you hope and pray see me? We get another call and it work out. Not the best at whatever, but it work out and we are going to see where it go. You get me? Kinda rusty. Now we're not rusty because we do some whole heap of YouTube videos. kind of want to go back in the kitchen. You get me? Do some only showing some things. Cause I want to do a vlog first day when we go up on the work. So I can look out for that video there. When we drop the vlog. The new workplace. You get me? And I really go show the company name because I don't know a thing already. But when I show them two little things what I want. Yeah. So story time. Yeah. So that's really what's new. That's what's new. What else is new? Currently now we are start own. What's wrong? Yeah. I don't get nervous when I see people isn't it? Cause I know people love the people so we want the thing perfect and thing. Currently right now we are do one catering company people. So we want to support on that one of people. As we from last year we talk about we're in an interview and only we not get the right pay and things. So people we want on entrepreneur right now. You get me? You see me? So we just have to entrepreneur and decide for now. You see me? But we still have to go out and do the work same way. We have a youth and youth have to eat. So we are drop some new things for this year going into next year people. So we have a catering company. You see me? Soulfly catering company, you see me? Yeah, we have the catering company coming up. Soulfly catering company. You get me? We have the catering company coming up. Me keep on repeat the same thing. I told me excited about the catering company because I guess how the catering company people wait for show everything. And if we cater for an event, if we okay with it, we'll do a vlog and we're going to post it right there back on YouTube. So it will be like promoting your business same way. You get me? So you can look out for a catering company, remember? Soulfly catering company. Soulfly farm catering company. Yeah. And we have we have some only for thing. Excited people. You get me? We have a thing I drop, one drop it early next year. You can get your jerk season in a bottle people. Soulfly farm jerk season. Soulfly farm jerk sauce. I'm gonna put my jerk sauce in a bottle so people. When we do it, I do like a video. I'm not gonna see. You get me? Not a small bucket, so you can order it or you can we drop link in the description. But that are the coming year, that are next year, which coming year, that are starting next year people. So we have some Olipa projects, so we're excited people. Me look excited. Yeah people, we're excited because you see me, catering company. We own catering company. We are startup. So just I want to support on that people. Yeah. Soulfly farm catering company. Remember the name yeah. See that come right there so. Soulfly farm catering company. Cater for funeral, birthday parties. You get me? Yeah. So we are do like a pre-video people showing all of the things that we are gonna do. So we are going in the kitchen. We are going in the kitchen. You get me people? Fuck me. We are going in the kitchen people. Sorry about that. We are going in the kitchen so that is basically it until part 3 people. So that's just one new the life of a Jamaican chef people. So when we reach to the end of our video, you know what we do already. You know what we do already, what we do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Tell another friend. See your boy out here back with another video. You see me?
So you don't know, says Jordan Mars representing for Henry and the Soulfly family. I just want to tell everybody to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Life as a Jamaican Chef. He posts a whole heap of dope content, he posts recipes, he posts a whole heap of things that you need to go check out. So just subscribe to him YouTube page, Life of a Jamaican Chef, and just give him a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, everything. Big up.